Watching your cocktails, but still want to enjoy a nice drink with your friends? Stick around, I'm going to show you how to create endless flavors of vodka cocktails.
For caffeinated flavors like this green pineapple rum cocktail, add about 6 teaspoons of your tea leaves to an infuser and 400 ml of vodka. I'm going to steep that caffeinated tea for a minimum of 2 hours. Then you're just going to take the infuser out and we're going to add that to a glass container and store in the fridge. For a fruit tea like this magical cotton candy flavor, you can just add 6 teaspoons directly to your vodka. So to make that cocktail, after 2 hours, you're just going to add some ice. Going to use an infuser to just add some of that vodka into the end of your glass. Then you're going to take some Sprite, or I use low-calorie frozen lemonades, and I'm just going to top it up.
Cheers!
departure list? It must have fallen out of sleigh.
Hey, it's peach season, so I thought that we would make a naturally sweet iced tea slushy. I'm going to make it tipsy today, and I'll tell you how you can make it as a mocktail as well. Cheers. So good. Hey everyone, it's Rhonda Hagen here. I am going to show you tonight how to make an amazing cocktail from tea-infused vodka. So super easy. All you do, add plain vodka to 6 teaspoons of loose leaf tea. I prefer fruit tea, can last in the fridge for a long time. So you wanna make sure you steep this for a minimum of 2 hours in the fridge. And this has been infusing for a week. It is amazing, I've already tried it. I'm gonna show you what I do. So I used Sipology's fruit tea, juicy blackberry sangria. Amazing as sangria, also for cocktails. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so what I'm doing, I put my infuser in because you don't want the little fruit bits in, and I'm gonna add 1 shot of infused vodka. You can use any flavor. And then I just take Sprite or soda water if you don't like sweet things. I like SodaStream's lemon lime simple syrup. And I'm just going to add that to my vodka. And instead of ice, for me, I prefer to add some frozen fruit. It's pretty, adds a little tiny bit of extra flavor.